Hey everyone. In this quick walkthrough, I'm going to show you the easiest way to find and remove duplicate contacts inside Hubspot. So if your CRM is getting a little messy, this will clean things up fast. First, go ahead and sign into your Hubspot dashboard. Use your usual email and password. Nothing fancy here. Once you're in, look over at the top navigation and click on Contacts. It's right there next to the Conversations tab. And this is where all your people live. Now, on the left sidebar, scroll down a bit and find the option called Duplicate Management. HubSpot's smart tools scan for people with the same email or very similar details. You'll see pairs of contacts that HubSpot thinks might match. Just click Review on any row, and you'll get a side-by-side comparison. It's pretty handy. I mean, everything is lined up for you. After you look through the details, choose the one you want to keep, then hit Merge. HubSpot keeps the most recent info and activity, so you don't lose anything important. And if you've got a lot of duplicates, happens to all of us, you can bulk select pairs and merge them one after another. It speeds things up when you're cleaning bigger databases. One last thing, if you want to avoid this in the future, head into Settings later and enable form validation and email capture rules. It cuts down on repeat entries big time. And that's it. Your HubSpot contact list should be a lot cleaner now. If you're doing a full CRM tidy up this year, this is a great place to start. Thanks for watching.